Good evening, my dear friends. Today we are going to solve planes exercise problems. So, do you remember formulas? Okay. You remember all these formulas, planes formulas in both vector and Cartesian form. Today I am going to talk exercise 11.3 problems. The first model, in each of the following cases, determine the direction cosines of the normal to the plane and the distance from the horizon. So there are 4 bits given. I have to explain 1 or 2 questions. So let us see first problem how to solve. So we need to convert in the normal form of a plane equation, either in vector form or Cartesian form. In generally, if not asking anything, means here if not mentioned, we have to write in the Cartesian form always. It is our useful result. So equation of a plane in the normal form in Cartesian form is Lx plus my, Lx plus my plus nz is equal to d. Remember all of you. L, M, N are called direction cosines. D is called distance from the horizon, perpendicular distance from the horizon. So we have to bring in the normal form always. So let us take given plane. I take the given plane is z is equal to 2. So clearly listen this point. So we have to write in the standard form this is. So missing terms always 0. So 0 into x plus 0 into y plus 1 into z is equal to 2. This is called plane equation of general plane equation, general form of plane equation, that is ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. What are the drs of this normal? So drs of direction ratios of the normal is or drs x coefficient 0, y coefficient 0, z coefficient 1. Hereafter divide this number equation 1. I would have taken as equation number 1. Divide by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. So we have to find out. So divide equation 1, divide by square root of a square plus b square plus c square is equal to, find out square root of a value is 0 square plus b value 0 square plus 1 square will be 1. Whenever you divide by 1, the equation unaltered. Therefore 0 into 1, that is, it gets here, we get, what is the getting value? Same number getting in this case, 0 into x plus 0 into y plus 1 into z is equal to 2 by 1 is 2. Okay, which is in the form of, what is the form here? This is now L, it becomes Lx plus My plus Nz equals 2. That is D is equal to D. Now what are the drs? What are the dc's? Therefore direction cosines are L is equal to 0, M is equal to 0, N is equal to 1. What is the next question? Perpendicular distance from the horizon. This is what? D. D is equal to what? 2. D is 2. That is perpendicular distance from the horizon. So very simple method. Very easy to solve like this. Shall we do any question? Shall I do second problem? Can you solve third and fourth same model? Okay, now I am going to the question number 2. Second question. Almost all similar. There is no change any step also. So firstly, what do you take? Given plane. So given plane is, what is the plane here? X plus y plus z equals 1. Okay. This is as equation number 1. Now what to do? DRs of the normal calculate. What are the DRs? 1, 1, 1. So DRs of the normal plane. DRs of the normal plane is R 1, 1, 1. Hereafter what to do? Equation 1 divided by this number. So these are ABC numbers. Equation 1 divide by square root of a square plus b square plus c square equals square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square equals square root of 3. We get, so divide by root 3, square root of, that is, we get what? X divided by root 3 plus y divided by root 3 plus z divided by root 3 equals 1 divided by root 3. So which is in the form of, Lx plus my plus nz is equal to d. What are the DCs? What are the DCs? 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, Lmn. Therefore, direction cosines are L is equal to 1 divided by root 3, M is equal to 1 by root 3, N is equal to 1 by root 3. L is equal to 1 by root 3, M is equal to 1 by root 3, N is equal to 1 by root 3. And D is also 1 by root 3. 1 divided by root 3. This is the perpendicular distance of a plane from the horizon. I hope you understand this is how to convert in the normal form. This is the procedure. If any general form is given, always we should bring in the form of normal. What is the normal form of a plane equation? Lx plus my plus nz is equal to d. L, M, N are called direction cosines. D is what? Perpendicular distance of a plane from the horizon. In the same procedure applicable in question number 3, question number 4. You try and also show me the answers. Next I am going to the second question, exercise, second problem. The second problem is, let us see, find the vector equation of a plane. Find the, all of you note down the question. Find the vector equation of the plane which is at a distance of 7 units from the horizon from the horizon and normal to the vector 3i plus 5j minus 6k. So this is the question form. So he is asking, find the vector equation of the plane. Okay, in which form? Normal form, which is at a distance of 7 units. Hangandraenu, perpendicular distance from the horizon to the plane given 7 units. And also what he has given, normal vector is given, but we required what? Normal unit vector. So we have to find out n cap. So what he has given from the problem, firstly we have to take given distance given. So d is equal to 7 units. Vector is given. Which vector given? N cap given, n bar given. So normal vector only this is. Normal vector is denoted by, so we write normal vector. Remember, normal vector is n bar is equal to 3i plus 5j minus 6k. We need to find n cap. N cap is required. So n cap is equal to formula n bar by magnitude of n bar. So magnitude should be find out square root of a square plus b square plus c square. That is called magnitude. 3 square plus 5 square plus minus 6 whole square is equal to square root of 9 plus 25 plus 36 is equal to square root of 36 plus 25 plus 9. How much this is? 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 9, 20, 0. 2 carry. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So we got square root of 70. Now we have to write n cap. Therefore, n cap is equal to n bar upon magnitude of n bar. N bar divided by magnitude of n bar. Sorry. This is equal to n bar 3i cap plus 5j cap minus 6k cap upon square root of 70. So we got n cap. So now what is required? Vector equation of a plane in the normal form. Vector equation. Okay? Vector equation of the plane in normal form, remember. In normal form is, do you remember this one? What is the formula? First theorem, r bar dot n cap is equal to d. This implies r bar as it is dot n cap, we got it 3i plus 5j minus 6k upon square root of 70 is equal to 7. This is the equation of a plane in the normal form. Very, very important for 2 marks, 1 mark or 2 marks. You remember mainly what he has given in the problem, what he is asking in the question. That should be first of all find out. So here vector equation of a plane find out in the normal form. Then what are the given? Perpendicular distance from the horizon to the plane given 7 units, that is d. and normal vector is given. Whenever he has given normal vector, we have to calculate normal unit vector should be find out. What is the normal unit vector? N bar by magnitude of n bar. Okay, then substitute in the formula, don't forget. This is also normal form. Vector equation of a normal form in Cartesian form this is. Lx plus my plus nz is equal to d is in Cartesian form. This is vector form. Okay, shall we move third question? So let us see third problem. Question number 3. He has given, find the Cartesian equation of the following planes. Find the Cartesian equation of the following planes. Like in this also 2 to 3 bits are given. So first bit, very simple problem. R bar dot I bar plus j bar minus k equals 2. Second bit, R bar dot 2i plus 3j minus 4k equals 1. And third bit, R bar dot s minus 2t into I cap plus 3 minus t into j cap plus 2s plus t bracket k bar k cap is equal to 15. These are the questions. This type of questions in generally they are not asking in the theory exam. Why? Because these are only conversion only, convert into Cartesian form only. Very simple question. I explain 1-2 problems, one question, remaining do it like this only. Very simple question. So to solve the first question, first bit here, R bar means here, let R bar is equal to, what is the R bar value? General vector x into I cap plus y into j cap plus z into k cap. Okay, this is the general vector, that means any point, general point on the plane only. Now take the given plane. So given plane is, what is the given plane? R bar dot I cap plus j cap minus k cap is equal to 2 given. So substitute here. We get x into I cap plus y into j cap plus z into k cap dot I cap plus j cap minus k cap is equal to 2. Multiplying, dot product applying, I dot I is what? 1. So it becomes x into 1, that is x, j dot j is 1 plus y minus z is equal to 2. This is the required equation of a plane in the Cartesian form. Very simple question this is. So this model, Cartesian form model, this is there given in exam? No. This type of question generally they are not asking. Only conversion, take the R vector and find the dot product, that is the answer. Everywhere same, R bar right, substitute that is the answer only. Can you do it like this? Okay, now I am going to the fourth question. This is very important theorem. Very important problem. So important question I am taking. In the following cases, the question, in the following cases, find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular, drawn from the horizon. So this model questions very very important. You practice these type of questions compulsory. So these questions are given, 4 to 5 questions are there. 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to or minus 12 is equal to 0. Second bit, 3y plus 4z minus 6 is equal to 0. Third one, x plus y plus z is equal to 1. Fourth one, 5y plus 8 equal to 0. Fifth question also take here only. The problem is 2x minus 3y plus 4z minus 6 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 3y plus 4z minus 6 is equal to 0. To find the foot of the perpendicular, actually foot of the perpendicular meaning, remember all of you, this is the point P, this is the plane equation, okay? From the point P, draw the perpendicular to the plane, okay? This is perpendicular to the plane only. So this meets at the point Q. This is the plane pi. So this Q is called foot of the P only. Remember all of you. So these conditions are studied in the 2D also, 2-dimensional geometry. Q is called foot of the perpendicular of the point P. Okay. So this is the definition actually. How to solve these questions. But instead of doing this one, I will show the one shortcut method. That is theory method it is also. So this is always convert into general form, that is normal form of a plane equation. This is easy method. Instead of, we have 3-4 methods are there. I do not follow those methods. Easy method should follow, convenient method. So that is textbook also one method is given. So we should convert into simple form. And foot of the perpendicular formula, remember all of you, L into D, M into D, N into D formula. L, M, N are called direction, cosines. D is called perpendicular distance of a plane from the horizon. So we already we know how to convert. That method follow, simple method, that is solution of the first question. See the solution. So I take the given plane. Given plane is 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 12. This is the general form of a plane equation. Okay, we have to bring into normal form of a plane equation. That is important. How to convert in the normal form? Already two questions completed, 2 questions. Now dr's of normal are 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now convert this one, divide. Equation 1, divide by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is equal to square root of 4 plus 9 plus 16. Square root of 29. We get what is the getting value? We get 2 divided by square root of 29 into x plus 3 divided by square root of 29 into y plus 4 divided by square root of 29 into z equals 12 divided by square root of 29. So converted over, which is called, which is in the form of Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to D. So what are the here direction cosines? Direction cosines are L is equal to 2 divided by square root of 29. M is equal to 3 divided by square root of 29. N is equal to 4 divided by square root of 29. And distance D is equal to 12 divided by square root of 29. But what is asking? Foot of the perpendicular. So foot is equal to the shortcut here from horizon, given only this is method. We have this model there in the textbook. So foot is equal to formula L into D, M into D, N into D. So L, M, N substitute here. This is equal to L is what? 2 divided by square root of 29 into D. 12 divided by square root of 29, comma. M is 3 divided by square root of 29 into 12 divided by square root of 29. N, 4 divided by square root of 29 into 12 divided by square root of 29. Simplify, we get 2 into 12, 24 by 29, 3 into 12, 36 by 29, 4 into 12, 48 by 29. Okay, this is called foot of the perpendicular of the point P. Foot of the perpendicular of the point P, remember. How to calculate? Method of understand, observe that all of you. Okay, this is the method to solve the foot of the perpendicular. Can you solve like this? All questions? Do it everyone. I write the formula. Remember, note all of you, take one formula. Foot of the perpendicular drawn from horizon to the plane Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to D is, remember, LD, M into D, N into D. So remember all of you. Okay, continue the remaining problems. Do it homework like this, all of you. Thank you.